Welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm just going to tell you about how I spot my entries in volatility 75 in the market. This particular strategy, I've backtested it and it has almost 75% win rate ratio. So I trust this strategy. It has helped me make a lot of money, and I hope it will also make you some money in the market. That being said, I'm not telling anybody, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm not telling you to go and use this strategy. If you are using it, it's as your own safety and your own concern. I'm just here trying to give people new strategies I've learned. So that being said, let's continue and let's hop on to the chart. So as you can see, I'm in the 24-hour time frame. That's the daily candle. Why am I saying this? Normally, I use the trend to trade. In volatility 75, the market likes to trend a lot, and I don't trade against the trend. But if I do, I know probably I'm spotting something in the market. So let's take it like right now we are trending, we are coming in a downward position. We know that from here to here, because in a daily time frame, when I go to the smaller time frame, it will be a long trend. But then in daily time frame, we know that this is how the market is reacting. We are going downwards. So after we've realized that this is what I do if I want to spot my entries. So I go to the 24-hour time frame. Let me zoom this a little bit so that you guys can see clearly. I go to the 24-hour time frame. Then I look at the previous day close. That's what that's how I try to enter into the market. So my previous daily close. So for instance, if I want to spot my previous daily close, this is how I do it. So I take my how should I just try. Let's look at the previous daily close of this market. This is the previous daily close. Let me label it. Let me label it here. Then so PDC. So PDC stands for previous day close. So you can name it whatever that you want. You can do it close or something. So this is my PDC here. This is my PDC here. This is my previous daily close. Let me just put it here. So after spotting my previous daily close, I look at the next day. I want to look at the new day, the candle that is forming the new day. Why? I want to spot the reversal, the retracement of the previous daily close where prices opened. So let's say now in the previous the next day prices opened around here. So let me give it, let me name it. Please, I like to keep my things named. So CDO, that's the current day open. So current day open, this is my previous day open and current day open. So my current day open, my previous daily open is here, my current daily open is here. My previous daily close is here, my current day open is here. So now let me put my retracement. Retracement here. So this is my retracement. This point is my retracement. I had to wait for, let me see how far market is going to retrace. But since we don't know how far market is going to retrace in the market, we are not going to enter from the retracement point. We are just going to, all our entries are going to take place. Let me look for the shots. All our entries are going to take place around here. Do you understand? Like something like this. Why is this so big? So I'm sorry. Let me just do something like this. So daily candle. So something like our daily. It's going to start from the open of the current day. It's going to start. So we don't know how it's going to retrace, how long it's going to retrace, but all our candles are going to open around this zone. So that being said, after I want to wait for my candles to do what? Open. What I just do is go to the 1 hour time frame, then I look at the retracement level of the market. Okay, so let's see the retracement level of the previous of the current day open, of the current daily candle. Okay, so now as we can see, this was the previous day. Let me do this high. This was the previous day close. Okay, so the market closed around let me see, the market, this was where the market closed. Okay, the market closed around this side, as you can see the time. Okay, so I just had to wait to see, to spot how do we call it, to spot a reversal. Oh, where's my listing? To spot a reversal. Okay, so after I spot the reversal in the market, I then wait for prices to do what? Retrace. After I spot the retracement, I then wait for price to come back and continue its trend. Okay, because we know that we are in a downward trend. Now I'm just looking for downward trends. Okay, so right now, as prices are downward, have broken through this particular zone. Okay, as price has broken through, that means we are continuing. That means we are continuing our downward trend. So this is where I come to enter the market. After this candle has closed, okay, after this candle has closed, the candle that broke our previous daily close, okay, the candle that broke our previous daily close, that's where we are going to enter the market from. So right now, in volatility 75, the smallest amount of pip can make you like a fortune. So right now, we'll take our entries from here. Okay, put our stops a little bit. Put our stops a little bit in the middle of, how do we call it? In the middle of the retracement. Okay, then we just hold our trades. We hold our trades. Okay, I don't have risk to reward. I use risk to reward ratio, alright, but then for my target, I just have to wait until the day closes, or something. So let's say right now prices is price has already gone halfway through. I'll just have to throw my stops and continue with the trend. Okay, so right now, if you think this strategy is very cool, in the sense that when you go even into the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we have accumulated a lot of candles in the market. We've been able to get a very good entry in the market. So as you can see, this is how I spot my entries in the market. Okay, this is how I spot my entries from VIX 75 in the market. So right now, I'm just waiting for prices to do whatever I do. So, but right as I'm talking to you, I'm in this trade. Okay, and I have my targets. The reason why I have my targets is that in the overall trend, we have in the overall trend is an upward trend. Okay, so my retracement, I knew that prices will retrace, so I'm expecting the retracement level to come, prices to retrace to, where's my tool, to this side. Okay, to the 50%. So to the 50%. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. So if prices get to the 50% of this candle, of this chart, I'll do what? I will exit the trade. So let's go into my 15 minutes and let me show you the take profit of the market. Okay, okay, so this is it. So actually this is it. Okay, this is my TP, the 50%. So after that, I'll just hop out of this trade. Okay, then I'll wait for the next day candle and I'll see how the prices are going to. So this is how normally I trade all my VIX 75, and I get good entries. I've been able to accumulate much profits from this. If you think if you have doubt, you can go and backtest this yourself. Go look at all the charts that has happened. Most of them, if it's trending, it follows just like that. So thank you for being part of this, and I hope it will help you to understand how the market works, to maximize your profit in the market, and have an edge in trading volatility 75. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, let the channel grow so that I can get more people for my free content I'm giving and all. And please put a comment down there, tell me the type of video you want me to do, okay, and I will do it. In terms of synthetic indices, boom and crash and everything, sometimes I do trade the forex, the cryptocurrencies, and I trade. So just put a comment there, and any way I can help, I will try to do a video about it. Then we will grow together. Okay, thank you for your time.